A blind veteran's dog, cause I was going nowhere. Like a child's letters to God, but life's road was hard. I was never so lost that I looked for an answer in a bed as a boss. I never did pop pills or cocktails, just rock tills. Kids with skills still got a rasp for cops still. Then had me in the back of a paddy down the lockup. Smack me, pat me down for a bag, mom's a rock up. And bail me out, I'll figure out once again next weekend. Bail me out drunk again. And I never will forgive myself for putting you through all that hell. I went from high school dropout to factory labourer, slave to the clock until 4. Went from sleeping on the floor to being out on tour. Now there's not for me. I finished with the bang like a Cobain's biography.
Going down a hard road,
down the hard road.
don't know where I've been.
Don't know where to go. It's like
Going down a hard road,
down the hard road.
don't know where I've been.
I spent my youth like life was cheap. Only change that I wanted was enough to buy a drink. Was on a path to nowhere. The harder the road, the more broken baggage we carry, the larger the load. The school dropped back, I'm knocked out. Chased by the cops out, got clout. Dumped by my girlfriend and locked out. Been broken being, even choked at being a dope MC. But never lost hope and dreaming. We used to thrash, push the car, silver engine and fail. If I never had bail, maybe I'll be dead or in jail. Oh man, I got no one else to blame. I thank my family and music for keeping me sane. But that's the breaks, right? Started working late nights, never seeing daylight, getting paid like a slave might. And I've done too many years to miss this for my missus, to have to tell my son he nearly never existed.
Going down a hard road,
Down the hard road.
don't know where I've been.
Don't know where to go. It's like
Going down a hard road,
down the hard road.
don't know where I've been.
DJ to breathe, come on and break it down like
Cause the road gets rough. Cause the road gets
And I speak what I feel in the booth, in the spirit of truth. Cause all these kids out of me, man, they mirror my youth. And I could've gone the wrong way,
easy option,
but I chose to go the long way.
streets are watching, so
So keep a lookout, look out, big ballers, keep your hook up, pull a page, rip my book out, and pull out your finger, put your foot out, and keep a lookout for what we put out, the brand new flavor for your cookout.
Going down a hard road,
Down the hard road,
don't know where I've been.
don't know where to go. It's like
Going down a hard road,
down the hard road.
don't know where I've been. I'm walking round in circles, can't feel the mind of friend.
I was born in the 80s with that summertime love, then changed the whole game. Like what have I done? Out the gutter I come to touch the bright sun, and from the highest heights, motherfucker, I jump. Free in the sky of belief I can fly. Ain't no telling what they're selling, man, they're sheep in disguise. Keep this in mind, I keep on my grind. I can do it any way I wanna do it, and bitch, I'll sleep when I die. Explosive, ferocious, get up, get down, that's showbiz. Power to the people that have freedom in their focus. I hope this helps you when you're under the thumb, when you feel like nothing can save you, when you feel like jumping the gun. Stop, relax, and remember, even in the worst weather, you'll find a way, cross it, there'll be brighter days, honest. So get up, get out, and get something that's on the real. Forget what you were taught and show these people how you feel. Like, who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give a fuck. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life.
Guidance is internal. Guidance is internal. For the field.
Yeah. Since a fetus, explored life's subtle secrets. From my fingertips to my unique double helix, I can see history, I can see the past lessons. It's your right, never be afraid to ask questions. How can every religion claim to be the only one? How can they preach love yet fight each other holding guns? I think the golden sun might be able to shed some light. I'd rather push peace and knowledge to defend our rights. These leaders in suits tell us to fight for one side. You think they got their sons and daughters on the front line? Not down for war, but down to get an education. We're all equal, yet they push synthetic separation. But in this matrix, I won't be failing to make it. This is my cosmos, baby, space sailing with Sagan. I heard it's not where you're from, it's where you're carving your view. I heard you don't have to wear a suit to argue the truth. And so, who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give a fuck. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life.
The region of maximum dynamic pressure now.
Yeah, they finally gave me a window to look at. Visual is go today. And ignition.
They spoon feed, but I won't be taking that sedative.
Cause my thoughts are way too precious to waste on the negative.
I keep them critical yet positive to break the chains.
Every dawn is a new chance to make a change. Think about all the energy swirling all around us.
We project it,
We get affected.
this is profound stuff. Earth is my garden and I grew from it.
I pay the youth homage cause I know their view's honest. Can you read between the lines of the news comments?
Fighting over land
Just to take some fuel from it. I guess oil boils down to some cool profits.
So war, what is it good for?
Really, who wants it? Like,
Who are you to tell me how to live my life? Cause I won't give this up. These are my shoes, my view, my cue to say I do give a fuck. And pretty soon I'ma bloom and it'll be alright. Every day's another chance to ignite. Cause I'm addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted to this universal feeling called life.